Love English podcast.
Hello, listeners, and welcome back to the Love English podcast. This is Leo.
And this is Emma. We are so glad you can join us for another lesson.
Today's topic is super important. We use it every single day.
That's right. We are going to talk about numbers, dates, and years.
It sounds simple, but it can be a little tricky for beginners. How do you say 1985? How do you say the date of your birthday?
Don't worry, everyone. We will break it down and make it very simple for you. By the end of this podcast, you will feel much more confident.
So let's start with the basics. To talk about dates, we first need to know the months of the year.
There are 12 months. Let's say them together slowly. Listeners, please repeat after me. January,
February,
March,
April,
May,
June,
July,
August,
September.
October,
November.
December.
Wonderful! Those are the 12 months. What is your favorite month, Leo?
I like December because of the holidays. What about you, Emma?
I love May. The weather is beautiful. Listeners, what month is your birthday in? Think about it. My birthday is in May.
My birthday is in December. Now, to say the exact date, we need special numbers. We don't say May 1, we say May 1st.
These special numbers are called ordinal numbers. They tell us the order of things. First, second, third, fourth, and so on.
The first three are special. 1 becomes first, 2 becomes second, 3 becomes third.
Let's practice. Repeat after us. First,
Second.
Third,
After that, most numbers just add th at the end. For example, 4 becomes fourth.
6 becomes sixth. 7 becomes seventh.
So my birthday is December 4th.
And my birthday is May 21st. 21 becomes 21st.
Let's review the special ones again. It's first, second, third, then 21st, 22nd, 23rd, and 31st.
Exactly. So listeners, try to say your birthday. For example, my birthday is on July 4th.
Let's make this real. Imagine you are at a new city library. You want to get a library card.
This is a perfect real-life situation. The librarian needs to get your information, including your birthday.
We will have a new voice now. He is the librarian, a man. I will be the person who wants the card. Listen carefully.
Good morning. How can I help you today?
Hello, I would like to sign up for a library card, please.
Of course. I can help you with that. I just need you to fill out this form. I can also ask you the questions if that's easier.
Oh, thank you. You can ask me.
Great. What is your full name?
Leo Anderson.
Okay. And what is your date of birth?
My date of birth is December 4th, 1992.
December 4th, 1992. Got it. And your address?
It is 123 Main Street.
Okay, let's pause there. That was a perfect example.
Yes. The librarian asked, "What is your date of birth?" This is a very common question on forms and in official places.
And notice how Leo answered. He said the month first, then the day as an ordinal number, and then the year.
I said December 4th, 1992. Let's say it again slowly. December 4th, 1992.
This is the most common way to say it in American English. Month, day, year.
Now, let's talk about the year. This is the next big part of our lesson.
Saying years in English is a bit special. For years before 2000, we usually split the number into two parts.
For example, my birth year is 1992. I don't say 1992. That's too long.
Instead, we say it in two parts. 1992.
Let's try another one. The year 1985. We say 1985.
What about 1969?
That would be 1969?
Listeners, try to say the year you were born if it was before 2000. For example, if you were born in 1978, you say 1978.
But what about years from 2000 to 2009?
For those, it's different. We say 2000. So the year 2001 is 2001.
The year 2005 is 2005.
But after 2010, it changed again. Now we can say it in two ways.
Yes. For example, the year 2012. You can say 2012 or you can say 2012.
Both are correct. Many people now say 2012 because it is shorter.
What about our current year, 2026? We would say 2026.
Or 2026. But 2026 is more common now.
So to review, before 2000, split it. 1999. From 2000 to 2009, say 2000, 2006. After 2010, you can choose 2015 or 2015.
This is so useful. Let's practice with another real situation.
Great idea. This time, let's imagine we are planning a special trip. It's a milestone celebration.
A milestone is a very important event or stage in life, like a big birthday, a graduation, or an anniversary.
Let's say we are booking a trip for my parents' wedding anniversary. We are talking to a travel agent.
The travel agent will be a male voice. I will be the one asking about the trip. Let's listen.
Hello, thank you for calling World Travels. How can I assist you?
Hi, I'd like to get some information about a trip to Hawaii.
Hawaii is a beautiful choice. Is this for a special occasion?
Yes, it is. It's for my parents' 30th wedding anniversary. It's a big milestone for them.
How wonderful. Congratulations to them. And when are you thinking of traveling?
Their anniversary is on June 10th, so we want to travel around that date. Maybe from June 8th to June 15th.
June 8th to the 15th. And which year are we talking about? This year, 2026?
Oh, no. This is for next year. So June 2027.
June 2027. Okay, I see some great options here. Let me check the flight and hotel availability for you for those dates.
Thank you.
Okay, another great scene. Let's talk about what we heard.
The travel agent asked, "When are you thinking of traveling?" He needed the dates.
I noticed you said the dates clearly. June 8th to June 15th.
Yes, using those ordinal numbers. Not June 8, but June 8th. And then he asked about the year.
He said, and which year are we talking about? This is important to make sure there is no confusion.
And I clarified, it's for next year, 2027. I said 2027.
You see, listeners,
talking about future dates is very common. You need to say the month, the day, and the year very clearly.
Let's practice saying some dates. I will say a date, and you repeat, listeners. January 1st, 2025.
Your turn.
July 4th, 1776.
That's a famous date in American history. 1776.
Yes, it is. Talking about historical dates is another way we use this skill.
Let's do one last scenario. Let's imagine we are at a friend's house. His name is Ben. We are looking at an old famous photograph on his wall.
This is a great way to talk about dates in the past. Ben, our friend, will be a new male voice.
Hey, Ben, this is an amazing photo. What is it?
Wow, you guys noticed it. That's a photo of the first time a man walked on the moon.
Really? That's incredible. It's such an important milestone in human history. When was that?
It was in 1969.
1969. I remember learning about that in school. Do you know the exact date?
Yes, I do. It was July 20th, 1969.
July 20th, 1969. Wow, it's amazing to think about that moment. Thank you for sharing, Ben.
Of course. It's one of my favorite photos.
And we are back. In that conversation, we talked about a famous historical event.
Our friend Ben told us the year first. It was in 1969.
And then he gave the full date. It was July 20th, 1969.
This is how we talk about history, about important events from the past, or even just stories from our own lives. You could say, I moved to this city on October 1st, 2018.
2018, great example. So, listeners, you have learned so much today.
We have. Let's do a quick final review to make sure we remember everything.
First, we learned the 12 months of the year, from January to December.
Second, we learned about ordinal numbers for dates, like first, second, third, fourth, and so on.
Third, we learned how to put them together to say a full date. The American English way is month, day, year. For example, December 4th, 1992.
And finally, we learned how to say the years. We split years, like 1992, into 1992.
We say years like 2005 as 2005.
And we say years like 2027 as 2027.
That was a lot, but you all did an amazing job. Remember, you can always listen to this Love English podcast episode again if you need to review.
Practice is key. Try to say today's date out loud. What is the date today?
Also, try to say your birthday or the birthday of someone in your family. The more you say it, the easier it will become.
We are so proud of you for learning with us. Keep up the great work.
That's all the time we have for today's lesson. We hope it was very helpful for you.
Thank you for listening. Keep practicing, and we will see you in the next episode. Goodbye.
Goodbye, everyone.
Great job practicing today. Remember, every minute you spend learning is an investment in your future. Keep it up, and I'll see you in the next episode.